brother, look in your pocket. There's nothing there, just a hole. And with a sigh, Rahat from the house next door bought a new bike the very next day and left, blowing off the dust. Don't you think, why is the world so cruel? You've been hearing this since childhood. Work hard and you will grow up. Hey brother, even a donkey works hard day and night. How could a lion be king of the forest? After sleeping for 18 hours, it catches prey in just 10 minutes. In today's video, we will not be like donkeys, but rather like foxes, but how to become a millionaire. Watch this video to learn 5 very secret and effective ways to go. Then something in your brain will move, which can free you from the curse of being poor. But be careful, if you miss the last point, knowing the remaining 4 will be of no use, so blink of an eye. Don't give up, watch till the end. Let's start thinking like a fox. We were taught a wrong mantra as children. The first trick you need to learn to get rid of the one sleeper syndrome is to act like a poor person. Forget about thinking, you will see around us some people of the Pintu type, Pintu Ba. His salary may be 30,000 taka, but whenever he gets a bonus, he runs to the Apple showroom to buy the latest. He wants the iPhone, but he doesn't have any money in his pocket, so why would he want it even if he pays Emmy? Free networking uncles, not uncles, build relationships. Well, tell the truth. So do you think that success in life is only possible if you have good results? Whether it takes contacts or links, the reality is that your network is yours. Network, the more valuable the people you know, the more valuable you will be. But there is a misconception here that we only understand networking as big. It's wrong to gossip behind your brother's backs. It gives you temporary work, but it doesn't make you a career. The trick is to build genuine relationships with people. If you're sitting at home, it won't give you a job, but if you go to Facebook groups or various seminars and meet people, if you work with them, they will solve their problems, but they will give you work. Let me give you an example. 2 friends, Saju and Raju. Saju knows his work very well but doesn't get along with anyone, while Raju does his work fairly well alone. No one can become a millionaire alone. People are like stepping stones. You need to know how to use it, but don't just beat it, hold it by the hand. 4 passive incomes. Earn money even while you sleep. This point is the most important for the poor. The main difference between people and rich people is that poor people sell their time for money. That is, as long as the duty lasts, the money stops when the job is done, and if the job is done, the money stops when the job is done. This is how you can earn active income in life. You can't become a millionaire, you can survive on a shoestring. One person is like that. CC does this even though they are asleep and still make money. It is called passive income. Walk straight like a soldier. Sometimes you have to learn to walk like a horse. If you think I can't do it because I don't have my father's money, then you're shooting yourself in the foot. Many of those who are watched by billions today started from scratch. They knew the tricks and put them into practice. Now the decision is yours. Will you be jealous of that Rahat for the rest of your life, or will you change your game plan from today? How do they actually treat ordinary people? This video has a great video. Come and see it when it's finished, your eyes will pop out. And listen, I'm not saying that subscribing is your personal freedom. Until then, may Allah be with you in the next video.